Dalibert Eisler, October 28, 1970, for better known as Dale Viller. He was an actor and commercial model. After he discovered he was a student and he was working with her parents' company, Islanders Ship Supply. In the year 1993, it was Gio Veloso and I did many commercials, but the one that stood out was Pepsi. And now he was work for Mercedes-Benz and he was married to Megan Eisler. He was have 5 kids, Dach 16, Eli 15, Vivian 13, Noah 12, and Devin 5.
Jay Cooper? Baka naman pwede mo kaming gupitan nung
Ako din.
Yun ang uso ngayon, sige na. Sa kahit mo. Ano ba kayo? Mga polis pa kayo, ano? Nanakawan ako! Mga polis kami. Tara, sa presinto ko na magpaliwanag.
Teka, sandali lang. Magpapaloko na ako sa inyo, okay? O yan ang 500.
Pag natalo, susugal si Mr. Tibosio,
2 buwan walang sweldo.
2 buwan.
Ang ibig sabihin, pati tayo damay?
Glad to meet you, ladies.
Pwede siyang maging recording artist, di ba, Uncle?
Oo.
Ako naman si Robbie.
Robbie?
Robbie Tan.
Anong pangalan mo? Lily.
Lily? Mother...
Destined to become Pilgrim's next movie queen, portrays the role of Carmela Visconde.
Yan. Gimmick lang yan. Gimmick lang ninyo mag-ina yan para mahango ko kayo sa kahirapan. No. That will never happen. Aalis kami. Tatakas ko itong aking anak.
Okay lang kay Kuya. Thank you, Kuya Richard.
You're welcome.
Sige na, join us. Kahit sandali lang.
Yan ang tipong pambahay. Alam mo ba, ngayon lang lumabas ng lunggayan. Aba, kung ako maging asawa niyan, kahit na makulong pa ako sa lungga kasama niyan, payag ako.
Payag ka?
Oo, madali lang yun. Kumuha ka ng kasalanan, kulong ka, kasamang bitay pa.
Anong magagawa ko, no? Pero...
Huwag ninyong pakialaman yan.
The most beautiful Filipinas vying for the title, Diyosa Nakaganda.
Who said you can't buy anything for 4 pesos anymore? Yes, 8 ounces or 237 ml of ice cold Pepsi is now only 4 pesos from 5 pesos. A whopping 1 peso savings per bottle. The Pepsi has your price cut. The coolest thing your 4 pesos can buy.
I'm an icon, and my girl about a 10. I should fuck her.